VACC MotorTech launched in late 2019 and has since become an essential source of automotive repair and diagnostic information. Since that time, we have been listening to the feedback of our subscribers and are now pleased to announce the results of that feedback, an all new and improved VACC MotorTech.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the new Our Auto diagnostic tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
We like to refer to VACC MotorTech as your technical information toolbox. This is because the system is made up of many different automotive information resources under one platform. Just like your toolbox has different types of tools in various drawers for specific tasks, VACC MotorTech has different information available from various online and phone-based systems. This new online platform will allow you to search these online information sources easier and see the results faster. Once you have selected your vehicle, results from VACC's online systems and Haynes Pro will be presented on one page. Each column displays results from a different online component of VACC MotorTech. This layout will allow you to get a quick overview of the search results so you can select the one you need more efficiently, like a well-organised toolbox. With these new changes, VACC's Tech Advisory Service is ready to help you become familiar with the new interface and its features. Don't hesitate to give us a call and our friendly team will assist you accessing these online systems or provide you with information from our vast automotive technical library of workshop manuals and reference materials when required. VACC also hosts regular free online training sessions on the Zoom platform. Keep an eye out for upcoming videos guiding you around the new interface and features in more detail. For more information on the new and improved VACC MotorTech online platform, see the December 2023 issue of VACC's TechTalk magazine. Log on to VACC MotorTech or call VACC's Tech Advisory Service.